Hello, student. Hello, student. Very, very good. Hello. Am I audible?
Hello.
Okay. Am I audible? Am I audible? Please confirm me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Very good. If I am audible, I have already discussed about the zero order chemical reaction and the zero order chemical reaction. Zero order chemical reaction I have already studied. In the zero order chemical reaction, we will. Wait 1 minute. In zero order chemical reaction, we have studied about the formula that A naught minus. We have studied the three formula. First formula is that A naught minus AT value is equal to K into T value. K into T value. This is the first formula for the zero order chemical reaction. After that, the second formula we have studied that T half value, calculation of T half. Calculation of T half value means the half life value means half of the reactant will be converted into the product. This value will be equal to A naught divided by 2K. After that, third we have calculated about the T 100%. T 100% means that the value will be equal to A naught by K value. Third value we have calculated about the T half. T half will be equal to A naught by 2K. T 100% we will calculate that will be equal to A naught by K value. A naught by K value. After that, if in the question given that find the time for 80% completion. Today we will do the practice session only for the chemical kinetics, so that in the your JEE and the NEET examination, no any theoretical portion will come from the chemical kinetics. Only they will ask the numerical question. Find the time for 80% completion if T 100% for zero order chemical reaction is 20 minutes. What is your answer? Lokya, please confirm me. Lokya, Bhanuri, please confirm me. What is your answer? Drishi. I am giving you the hint. I am not giving you the solution. If you know that the T half value will be equal to for the zero order reaction, if the T half value will be given that the T 100% value will be equal to, find the time taken. If this value will be given, this value is the given and the question, sorry, in the question it is given that A naught value, initial concentration value will be equal to 100. In the question it is given that, in the question it is given that A naught value, in the question it is given that A naught value is equal to, A naught value will be equal to, A naught value will be equal to 100. In the question it is given that A naught value will be equal to 100. A naught value will be equal to 100. Please try once. Okay, Lokya, what is your answer, Babu? Your answer is 4 minutes. Very good. Very good. Your answer is 4 minutes. As I think your answer is somehow correct. If your answer is 4 minutes, your answer is somehow correct. Means suppose in the question, I am writing that, in the question, suppose I am writing that this value will be given that A naught. This value A naught will be equal to 100. After that 80, if I am calculating this question, then in this question T 100% value will be equal to T 100% value will be equal to 20 minutes. So T 100% formula will be equal to T half A naught divided by K is equal to 100. Sorry, is equal to 20. Is equal to 20. If A naught value will be given as the A naught value is equal to 100, A naught value will be equal to 100. This value is K equal to 20. So K value will be equal to 100 divided by the 20. That will be equal to 5. K value will be equal to 5. If K value will be equal to 5, means K value will be equal to 5 mole liter inverse into time inverse. So if you are calculating A naught minus AT value is equal to KT, A naught is the initial concentration value. This value will be equal to 100. You have to find the AT value. 80% completed, means 20% remaining. So 20, 80 minus 20, K value will be equal to 5. This is the T value. T value will be equal to 80 divided by 5. 80 divided by 5, 16 is your correct answer. Please write down another question. For zero order chemical reaction, reaction T half value will be equal to 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Find time for 75% completion. If find time for 75% completion if A naught value is equal to 100. A naught value is equal to 100 M. I am giving What is your answer? What is your answer? Please confirm me. If A naught for the zero order chemical reaction, if the T half value is equal to 20 minutes, find the time for the 75% completion. Please try once. I am giving you the sufficient time. What is your answer? What is your answer? If I am writing that the question is equal to T half value is equal to 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Find the time. T half value is equal to 20 minutes. 20 minutes value will be equal to A naught by 2K. A naught by 2K. After that, if A naught by 2K is equal to 20 minutes. If A naught by 2K value is equal to 20 minutes, A naught value is equal to 100. This is the 2K value. If I am writing for the K value will be equal to the, this is the 2K value is equal to 20. 20. Means K value will be equal to 100 divided by the 40. Means 5 by 2. So if I am writing that A naught minus A is equal to K into T. A naught minus A is equal to K into T. A naught value will be equal to, if you will see that A naught value will be equal to 100. A value will be equal to 75% reacted, 25 is the remaining. K value is equal to 5 by 2. This is the time value. This is the 75 into 2 divided by the 5. 30 minutes is the answer. Yeah, Lokia, your answer is correct. Rishi, your answer is correct. Okay, I am giving the another one. Please take a screenshot. If we don't do the question fastly, then it will create the problem for the future. Means suppose I am in the IIT-JEE, they will give the time for the 3 minutes. That's why from now we will practice that if there is any question, IIT question will come, we have to solve in the within the 3 minutes. I am writing the next question and give you the 3 minute time. Find the rate value if rate is equal to K into A into B, and if volume is 1/4, then new rate value. Please try once. What will be your answer? Find the rate value if R value is equal to K into A into B. If the volume is 1/4, then what will be your answer? Log क्या? 16 is the correct answer. 16 into A into B is the correct answer. 16 into A into B is the correct answer. 16 AB is the correct answer. Okay. After that, I am if you understood this concept, I am giving the 2 or 3 challenging question of the JEE. Challenging question is not like the so hard question in the next session, but even is for the practice. We will learn, we will solve the question till the topic we have covered. Means in the next question, suppose I am giving you that. Suppose in the next question I am giving you that find the order of chemical reaction. Find the order of reaction. Find the order of reaction. Order of the reaction. If reaction value is the given like that, I am giving you the reaction. The reaction is given that 2 into NO plus F2. 2 into NO plus F2 gives NOF. This is a and the step are and a steps are first step NO plus F2. NO plus F2 gives NOF2. Second, NO plus F2 plus NO. This is a slow step reaction. This is a fast step reaction. This gives 2 into NOF. Find the order of this reaction. This reaction will take place in the 2 step. Means this is a non-elementary chemical reaction because it takes place in the 2 step. We have to find the order of the chemical reaction. Please try once. I am giving a 3-minute time. This is a IIT-JEE advanced question. Hello. 2. Okay. I'm explaining. No, 2 is the wrong answer. 2 is the wrong answer. I'm explaining. Today I will give I will extend the session by the 15 minutes. Okay, that's why I'm giving the sufficient time to solve any question. There will be the no any fast calculation or anything. I will give the sufficient time so that you will able to solve the question. This is a question number 1. I will give you the 3 minutes for each question, and I will extend the type of the JEE problem. This is a O2. This is a sorry O3. O3 is written as the O2 is the fast reaction. After that, O plus O3. Sorry, this is a wrong question. Means I am writing the again. Suppose the reaction is given that 3O3 to form 3O2. After that, the steps are first step O3 O2 plus O. This is a fast step. After that, in the second, if I am in the second, I am writing that O plus O3 that will give 2O2. This is a slow step. Find order of the reaction. Three is the correct answer. Lokya, your answer is correct. I am giving the 3 options for this question. First question, rate value will be equal to K into O3 to power square. Second value, rate value will be equal to K into O3 to power square into O2 to power minus 1. Third, rate is equal to K into O3 into O2. Option fourth, none. You have to practice. I am giving you 5 to 6 minutes to solve these 2 questions. After that, I will discuss the same question by explaining each and every concept so that you will be able to solve any type of JEE problem related to this topic. I am giving the gap of, I think, 8 minutes for solve these 2 questions. Hello. Okay, dear, I am explaining the concept. I am explaining each and every concept and hope after explaining the concept, I am giving you the guarantee that you will not able to face any type of problem in this question. If you will see in this question, first question, the first question, is the given that 2NO plus F2, 2NO plus F2 gives NOF2, NOF. NOF. Similarly, suppose, sir, option 2 is already explained. You already explained in the question. This question you, sir, already explained. Okay, I am explaining now. So after that, suppose I am writing that NOF2 plus NO, this is a slow step chemical reaction. For the second, I am writing that NOF2. For the first step is already NO plus F2 gives NOF2. NO plus F2 gives NOF2. F2. This is a fast chemical reaction. And this one is the second chemical reaction is given that NOF2 plus NOF2 plus NO gives NOF. I am explaining the question very slowly. Please try to. And if you will see that this is a non-elementary chemical reaction. This is a non-elementary chemical reaction. For the non-elementary chemical reaction, for the non-chemical elementary reaction, if I am writing that non-elementary chemical reaction, what is the value? This is a non-elementary reaction. Elementary reaction. These two reactions will take place in the single step. This is a main reaction, and this reaction will take place in the two step. I am writing the first. You have to first step is that. Please be serious while we are doing this question. First step is that write the rate value. Rate value will be written as K into, this is a NO 2 power X divided by F2 to power Y. We don't know the value of the X and Y. After that, if you have to see that the slow step, we will got the rate of the chemical reaction by the slow step. For the rate of the chemical reaction from the slow step, rate value will be written as the K into NOF2 in multiplication of NO. This is a elementary chemical reaction. That's why this value will be 1, this value will be 1. You have to write down on the slow reaction. Slow reaction, with the help of the slow reaction, we will able to find out the rate value. This is a NOF2, this is a NOF2 value. So if I am writing the Kc value will be written as NOF2 value divided by NO into F2. NO into F2. So if I am writing the NOF2 value, the NOF2 value will be equal to Kc into NO in multiplication of F2. In multiplication of F2, so we can write that this is a Kc value. This multiplication gives Kc into NO in multiplication of F2 value. This is a NO value. So you will got the result K multiplied from the Kc. We will got the K value. This will be NO to power a square value. This is a F2 value. So overall order of the reaction will be equal to 3. X value will be equal to 2. Y value will be equal to 1. This value will be equal, answer will be equal to 3. Any doubt, please ask me. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Drishi, Lokya, Babu, if you have any doubt, please ask me. If you have no doubt, then please try to solve these questions. You both are the very intelligent, and please try to solve the question, this question. And these four options are the given. Please try to solve this question by yourself. I am giving the time. Lokya and Rishi, please try to solve this question. After that, I will end the session. This please, because all the students, I think when the question will started, when discussion will started, if I ask the question, they will leave the session. That's why there will be the big problem for the online platform. But you both are the different from the class, our class students. So please try to solve the second question by yourself. After that, I will discuss. I am giving you the 3 to 4 minutes to solve this question.
So could you just show the previous solution? Thank you, sir.
Okay, what will be the answer? Third option. This third is wrong answer. Not third. But the third option. Second is the correct answer. Second option is the correct answer. Lock किया? I think if I solve the question, then there will be some problem. You can solve the question by yourself. Lock किया in this area, I think you are in the condition to solve this type of the question. If you will see that this question is very conceptual question, and here 3O2 react with the O2. So write the question and solve again. B is the correct answer. I